Actor Allu Arjun has been arrested. This is in connection with the premiere show of his latest film Pushpa 2, in which a stampede had occurred. The actor had reached the theatre, and it was people who had gathered there for that premiere show did not know that the actor would show up at the theatre, and that's when they saw him at the theatre, they tend to rush towards him, and that's what caused that stampede in which a 39-year-old woman lost her life. Her son was also seriously injured in that stampede, and now Allu Arjun, the Tollywood actor, has been arrested. The actor has been held in that stampede case of Pushpa 2. So, breaking news coming in regard to Allu Arjun, who has been arrested in the case. Do remember that he was booked earlier, right after that premiere show that took place. This was last week on Wednesday, and the tickets also of that show were as expensive as 950 rupees at that time. Of course, Allu Arjun was booked for that stampede that occurred at the theatre. This was the Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad. So he has been booked in Hyderabad in connection with the stampede that resulted in the death of a woman at his premiere show. To remember, his film only released on Thursday, and his film has been doing exceedingly well. But it is Allu Arjun who has now been arrested due to the premiere show of his much-awaited film Pushpa 2. Many fans had gathered. They had paid a very large amount for that premiere show. And it was not just here in this theatre. The premiere show was being held in various theatres in Hyderabad, and they were all priced very expensive. And, this Allu Arjun movie had got permission for that ticket price to be increased. However, now you can see that it is Allu Arjun who has now been arrested in the connection of that stampede that took place at the theatre in Hyderabad. So Pushpa 2, the much-awaited movie, a sequel to the original Pushpa, in which Allu Arjun and it was the original cast that had now come in fact, for the sequel of that blockbuster film. So Pushpa 2 with the collections, and when we talk about the collections of this Pushpa 2 movie, the movie has been doing exceedingly well, but it is the Telugu actor who has been arrested in connection with the stampede that took place literally outside the theatre last month, in which that woman was killed. The stampede broke out after the hugely popular actor made an unscheduled appearance at the theatre showing his new film Pushpa 2, The Rood.